All right. Imagine turning your Instagram page into a super cute crayon drawing, like something a kid made. Colorful, playful, and honestly kind of addictive to look at. Yeah, that trend? You can do it too, and it's way easier than you think. First, just take a screenshot of your Instagram profile. Yours, your friends, even a random one. Doesn't matter. Next, grab the prompt. I already prepared it for you, and the link is in the description below, so just copy it real quick. Now, open ChatGPT, switch to Create Image mode, and upload that screenshot you just took. After that, paste the prompt, hit send, and give it a few seconds. Boom! Look at that! Your Instagram just turned into this adorable, colorful, crayon-style artwork. It literally looks like it came straight out of a kid's drawing book. Go ahead, download it to your gallery, share it, or even use it as your new aesthetic post. And hey, once you try it, you might not want to stop. Everything just looks better in crayon style, trust me. So, what are you waiting for? Try it now and see how cute your page becomes.